5 home remedies for endometriosis. Endometriosis is a gynecological condition affecting approximately 176 million women and girls worldwide. Endometriosis happens when the endometrium, the tissue that makes up the inside surface of uterus, grows outside the uterine cavity. It can grow on the ovaries, bowel, and tissues lining the pelvis. The misplaced endometrial tissue follows the menstrual cycle, grows, thickens, and breaks down due to hormonal changes in the body. And it has no way to exit your body. It becomes trapped and causes irritation and formation of scars and adhesions. This in turn causes severe pain during periods and possible fertility problems, both of which can have a massive impact on a woman's quality of life. First, castor oil. An age-old effective remedy for endometriosis is castor oil. Castor oil helps the body get rid of excess tissues and toxins. It should be used at the beginning of the menstrual cycle when cramping is first noticed. This will help reduce the severity of symptoms throughout the cycle. Mix 8 drops of lavender essential oil and 1/4 of cup of castor. Soak a washcloth in this mixture. Fold it and heat it in the microwave until it is comfortably warm. Place the warm cloth directly on your lower stomach. Put a piece of plastic on the top of cloth and place a hot water bottle on top of that. Use the pack once a day for 30 to 60 minutes. Second, sitz bath. A contrast hot and cold sitz bath is often recommended by naturopathy practitioners for reducing symptoms of endometriosis. The hot bath will help relax the pelvic muscles, in turn reducing cramping and pain. The cold bath will help reduce the inflammation and alleviate the pain. Fill 2 large bathtubs, one with warm water and another with cold water. Fill 2 large bathtubs, one with warm water and another with cold water. Add 10 drops of rosemary essential oil or lavender essential oil to each bath and stir well. Sit in the tub with the hot water up to your waist for 3 to 5 minutes. Then sit in the tub of cold water up to your waist for 1 minute. Repeat for 2 to 5 rounds. Do this 3 to 4 times a week. Third, pelvic massage. Massaging the pelvic area and the lower abdomen with essential oil like lavender oil or sandalwood will help a lot. Lavender oil or sandalwood will help a lot to relax and soothe the minor pain associated with endometriosis. Lie on the bed and stretch out your body. Rub some essential oil on your stomach. Gently massage in rotating pattern for 5 to 10 minutes. Do this once daily. Fourth, flaxseed. Flax seeds are also very beneficial in treatment of endometriosis. The antioxidant and omega-3 fatty acids and flax seeds help slow the growth of abnormal endometrial tissue. Plus, flax seeds help the body eliminate harmful toxins. Soak 3 to 4 tablespoons of flax seeds in 1 cup of water overnight. Strain and drink the water the next morning. Follow this remedy daily until the symptoms will subside. You can also add ground flax seeds to yogurt, smoothies, soups, and salads. Fifth, turmeric. This amazing spice has a natural component known as curcumin that has strong anti-inflammatory benefits and hence can be used to treat endometriosis. It has also been shown to have anti-endometriotic properties. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil and add 1 teaspoon of each of turmeric powder and ginger powder and 1 tablespoon each of honey and lemon juice. Drink the solution once daily until you get rid of problem. You can also take turmeric capsules 300 mg 3 times a day.